My name is Mr. Madwe Pamsoro Chianike, who was born in the Chianike family. I started to play mbira from 1957 when I was still very young. I learned mbira playing from my father. I'm his first son in the family. I like mbira music very much than all music, because mbira can enable us to cooperate with the spirit mediums proceeding to God himself. We have got some places where we call Mutu Sinazita. Mutu Sinazita trees were situated in all districts of Zimbabwe. People used to go there in a group. Leader of the group gives order to all his followers. Sit down. He now asks on behalf of the race from the spirit medium, we are hungry, we are kindly asking for food. He gives order for all people to close eyes. Immediately after 10 minutes, he gives order for all to open eyes. You can see all the surrounding filled with warm food. In the night, plates, drinks, and beer as well. After everybody is fed enough, he gives order again, let's close our eyes. He closes our eyes. He now gives thanks to the spirit medium on behalf of the rest. Thank you very much. We are fed enough. He gives order for all to open eyes. If you open eyes, all the remaining definitely disappears. No containers, no remaining food. The ground will return to its normal position as it was when you arrived. Then he gives order to the Magwenya Mbiras. They sing a song which we call Mukai Tiende. It's a dispatch song to ask for good fortunes in their journey, being assisted by their spirit mediums. After he played that Bukatende, they stand up, they go their way. That's the reason why I love mbira playing. Mbira definitely can enable us to link with the God life, starting from our spirit medium, proceeding to God himself. And thank you very much. I hope everybody should understand well what I've explained. And I kindly ask to those who were parallel from culture, definitely come in time and join us. That's our proper way of worshiping.